Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on what you need. Enable Pro RAW in Settings Camera so the phone can record full 48MP sensor data. Next, open the camera app and choose 48MP or the Pro RAW 48MP option. This ensures maximum detail. Use a tripod or firm support now to avoid blur, because once resolution climbs, movement shows. Also set format to HEIF or Pro RAW based on whether you want smaller files or editable data. Make that choice before you shoot. Now compose with intent. Frame at 1x for full sensor area or step into 2x if needed. Remember, you can crop later without big loss. Tap to focus where it matters, then hold to lock AE/AF so exposure and focus stay steady. Slide the exposure control to protect highlights or lift shadows. Small adjustments matter more at 48MP. Once set, use a short burst or single-timed shot to capture peak detail while keeping camera movement minimal for the clearest result. Finish by taking the shot with steady technique. Press gently or use the shutter timer, then review the image at 100% to confirm sharpness and exposure. If you plan heavy editing, keep Pro RAW files. Otherwise, choose HEIF or JPEG to save storage. Export crops and edits rather than saving multiple full-frame copies. If images appear soft, troubleshoot. Confirm stabilization is on, clean the lens, and retake on a tripod. If artifacts persist, toggle Pro RAW off and test again to isolate software versus hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.